Stainless steel tank and pure copper motor. The tank is made of high-quality stainless steel. No need to worry about rust and damage. Internal uses pure copper motor to assure high performance, maximum power and persistence. Increase the service life of 75%. Strong suction and various accessories. 5.5 HP provides strong suction and air blow. The vacuum cleaner is equipped with a variety of working accessories to meet various cleaning needs. Over 320 square feet of clean area. Wet-dry vac equipped with 7 feet by 1.25-inch resistant premium hose and 2*1.3 ft extension bars to easily clean 1/9 ft diameter areas without moving vacuum. The bottom has 4*360-degree swivel caster wheels for easily move during use. Farewell hand fatigue. 4-layer filtration system and safety buoy technology. 4-layer filtration can filter out dust and collect it in the dust bucket. Discharge clean air to prevent secondary pollution. Safety buoy technology will automatically turn off the power when the water level in the bucket exceeds the boundary to protect the motor better. What you get: TACKLIFE PVC02A wet-dry vacuum, 7 feet safety cleaning hose, 2 extension bars, sponge filter, dust filter, couch suction, small flat suction, floor brush. User manual. 24-month warranty.